Hey, East Tennessee business owners, think your firewall is enough to keep hackers out? Here's the truth. They're not breaking in anymore. They're logging in, and they're using your passwords to do it. This kind of attack is called identity-based hacking. Cybercriminals trick employees into handing over passwords, hijack text messages, or flood phones with fake MFA requests until someone hits approve out of frustration. Last year, 67% of serious breaches came from stolen logins, not hacking tools. And if it happened to MGM and Caesars, it can definitely happen to your business. Here's how to stop it. Use app-based MFA, not text message codes. Train your team to spot phishing emails. Limit user access. Only give employees what they need. Use password managers or go passwordless with security keys. You don't have to figure this out alone. At CD Technology, we help businesses in Knoxville, Sevierville, and Maryville lock down their systems without locking down their workflow. Schedule your free cybersecurity checkup, and let's make sure your login isn't your weakest link. Call 865-909-7606